Hello lovely people! In today's video we'll be talking about mascara and I'll be sharing with you 6 quick mascara tricks. So without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so before you even begin applying your mascara, make sure that you're using a product that will be able to do the job. First, check out the expiration date of your mascara. This symbol on the tube will tell you for how long you can use your mascara after opening. So if you have been using it for longer, it's time for a new one. And that's very important because you don't want to use a product that has expired so closely to your eyes. Also, if your mascara has dried out, it won't give you those fabulous lashes that you want, right? It's going to be a disaster. So there are 2 ways to bring it back to life. First, take a glass of hot water and put it inside for about 5 minutes. Or add just a few drops of contact solution inside, close it and shake it well. Don't go crazy with the eye drops because they can change the consistency of your mascara and that can totally ruin it. So make sure that you use just a few of them. Now, I just want to mention that these tricks won't be able to make your mascara like a brand new. I mean, the best thing that you can do is go get a new one. However, they will help you get some of that product that is left inside the tube and use your mascara a few more times. Listen, this is my favorite trick. I do that every time I apply my mascara. Usually with most mascaras, the wand grabs too much product. So what you need to do? Wipe it off. You can do that on a clean tissue, or if you don't want to waste any of the product, clean it on the tube. So when you put the wand back in the tube, the product will be pushed inside again. When you use a wand which is not loaded with ton of product, you'll be able to coat every single lash separately without adding all of that excess product, which causes your lashes to stick together and look clumpy. You can always build it up and get the result that you want, but it's very difficult to remove the mascara that you already applied on your lashes. Brush through your lashes and separate them with a clean spoolie before coating them with mascara and after you've added the mascara. It's like brushing your hair before doing a hairstyle. And if you use a clean spoolie after you've added the mascara, it will get rid of every clump. It will make sure that everything is evenly applied everywhere. So it's gonna make everything way prettier, so why not? This is very important when you're building up your lashes. Okay, so you already applied your first layer of mascara, right? And you want to go ahead and, add some more, make your lashes even longer, even fuller. You want to make sure that you apply the second layer as quickly as possible. So go back, dip that wand in the tube, take it out, wipe it off, and go ahead and add your second layer. You don't want to apply the second layer when the first one is already dried out. It's going to be a disaster. You want to make sure that you apply the second layer as quickly as possible while the first coat is still wet. I mean, it hasn't dried out. And by adding 2 or 3 coats, I usually don't go with more than 3, but if you do that, you'll be able to, as I said, build up your lashes and make them look longer and fuller. Just make sure that you do it quickly. Alright, my lovely people, let's talk about the coating technique. Here is how I like applying my mascara. First, I start off by rolling or wiggling the wand at the roots of my lashes, and that way I make sure that most of the product is applied there, and then I just drag it all the way up, and I'm repeating the same with the next coat. Now this can be very uncomfortable if you're doing it for the first time, but just practice. It's going to be worth it if you manage to do it. Now, something that I want to point out is that you don't want to wiggle the wand all the way through the length of your lashes because that will cause them to stick together. Now with rolling, you don't really have that issue. You can do it all the way through the length. This can be difficult at first. I understand that, but you'll see a difference. When you're rolling the wand, the lashes are coated properly. The rolling technique will take your lash game to the next level. I promise you, try it out. We've talked about how to apply the mascara properly, but I think that it's important to mention how to remove it properly because most of the people when they're removing their eye makeup do this, and it's okay, it's fine. It removes most of it, but not all of it. Here is the trick on how to get rid of all of your mascara / eye makeup. I like using one of those cotton pads, and I always use oil-based eye makeup remover. Even when my mascara is not waterproof, it just works better. It's much easier to get rid of everything. So I apply some of that makeup remover on the cotton pad, and then I fold it. And I make sure that there is makeup remover at the edge of that fold. Okay, so then I place the edge of the fold at the base of my lashes, and I go left and right. Okay, just rubbing it very gently. You need to be super duper gentle, please guys. Just be careful in that area. And see how much makeup was hiding in there. It's really easy to explain because when you apply your mascara, you're actually, coating the roots of your lashes, you're coating the bottom of your lashes, you're not applying on top. Some people do apply on top, right here, but for me, most of the product is, under, at the bottom of my lashes. I hope that makes any sense. When you close your eyes and you rub, a cotton pad with a makeup remover, you're getting rid of all of that product which is on top of your lashes and on your eyelid. But there is product under here that you need to take care of. I would remove my mascara, as I show you how most people would do it. And in the morning, I would wake up with leftovers of mascara under my eyes, and I was wondering where was that makeup hiding. Well, I just revealed the secret for you. I hope you appreciate it. Alright, my lovely people, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. I got into more detailed stuff about mascara and how to apply it today because the details make the difference. I'm gonna have some of my favorite mascaras down in the description box. These are just my personal favorites, but if you wanna see what I like coating my lashes with, you can check out the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press that bell button right next to the subscribe button because by doing that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links are going to be down in the description box. I also did a mascaras do and don'ts makeup video a really long time ago, but if you wanna check it out, it's going to be somewhere here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!